So the last 2 days I've started doing the body work on the roof, mostly just this side. I've made it to the middle up there, but holy cow, just so much roof. I did the fiberall, and I just used the mud hog to sand that down, and then I did the U-Paul Gold, which is just a body filler, and I blocked that by hand all the way down, and everything's hurting, but it looks straight, and I think it'll be okay. Jared's been doing the door jambs over here, and he's been on that all week. I think into last week too, actually. And it's just so complex, so detailed, and there's so many door jambs. I mean, doing door jambs sucks on a good day, but when you got, 4 of them to do on one side, it's asking a lot, especially with all the cutting and stuff that we've done. This is a split, where we section it and shorten it up, and they all got it. And getting inside here and stuff, and he's done a really nice job of it too. But just so much work, and then he's been working on the inside of it too. So we got all the insides going. A lot of work, long job, more ways than one. This is my super scaffolding. Weighs about 10,000 pounds. Those are C channels that are ridiculously heavy, so I get to move those around. It's just been tough. I am extremely sore trying to push that old clip clop jalop through as well. I'm just burning the candle at both ends, folks. I'm tired. I'm so tired.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Well, the impossible is about to become possible. We are going to prime the jambs. All 4 of them on this side. Got the seam sealer in. Jared worked his little fingers to the bone. I didn't do as much, but I finished it out tonight while he worked on the Nomad. We're gonna get some of that 4-to-1 primer on here, but big day. So much work into this. There is so much work into this. All these little details that come together to where you can just put a little bit of seam sealer on there, a little bit of primer, have it as one, as the bus intended. So let's stop talking about it and start being about it. Let's prime it, damn it. All right. Amazing what a little bit of primer will do. It's kind of a shit show, but from where you're sitting, it probably looks pretty good. We got the major taken care of, but there's just gonna be, little things that we're gonna have to take care of, little gaps in the seam sealer. But I couldn't see it, You get all these colors going and the bare metal and all the stuff, you're doing black seam sealer and you just can't see that little hole, So we'll probably sand it and prime it again But next time I'll use a little bit less aggressive of a primer. This primer's very textured and it fills a lot. You know, I filled some pinholes and stuff, but you know, that makes it a bear to sand. You know, it takes a little longer because it has that texture. We'll get it sanded and put another coat of primer on it, and be ready to do our satin paint that we're going to be doing in the jams. It's going to be like the tan color that the you know, the other interior pieces are. And but once again, nice to see another section, another same color, one color. You know, get kind of tired of seeing it in different things, and I love our line here. You know, it's really cool. Nice, you know, kind of fluid deal through all of them, and then the lines and the steps are all the same. And now with the seam sealer and the filler work and all that, it really looks like it's, you know, a factory gig. But just a ton of work to do. All right, we're back on the bus, Gus, and still more rust repair on the doors. We get that guy fixed up, and then it had a weird little spot here that I'd never seen on any doors. It had 2 bolts here, and I think I'm going to just weld those up. I took the screws out. I don't want them to be scratching on the door jambs. And we got a piece made here for that guy. So, back on the bus, Gus. Yeah, that was pretty crusty. Well, getting our mud work done. This side of the door is ready for primer, and we're gonna flip it over and do the other side tomorrow.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.